Welcome to our channel. I am Dr. Anya Kumar. Today we are going to question and answer for forensic science. What is the primary role of forensic scientist? Option A, to collect evidence, to analyze evidence, to present evidence in court. All of the above. Answer D, all of the above. The primary role of forensic scientists include collecting, analyzing, and preserving evidence in court to help to solve crime. Question is, what types of evidence is analyzed in forensic technology? Correct answer is C. Drugs and poison. Forensic toxicology focus on the analysis and drugs and poison in biological sample to determine their presence and their effects. Next question, what does AFIS stand for in forensic science? Option A, Automated Fingerprint Identification System. AFIS stand for Automatic Fingerprint Identification System, which is used to store and compare fingerprint data for identifying individuals. What is the purpose of a forensic autopsy? To determine the cause of death. Option D, all of the above. To identify the decay. To collect the evidence. A forensic autopsy is conducted to determine the cause of death, identify the deceased, and collect evidence for legal investigation. Which disciplinary involves the study of human remains to determine identity and cause of death? Answer A. Forensic anthropology. Forensic anthropology involves the study of human remains to determine identity, cause of death, and other information relevant to legal investigation. What is the Locard exchange principle? Every context leaves a trace. Locard exchange principle states that every context leaves a trace. Between two objects leaves a trace which is fundamental in forensic investigation. Which technique is used for DNA profiling? PCR, polymerase chain reaction. PCR polymerase chain reaction is a technique used for amplifying DNA sequence, which is essential for DNA profiling in forensic. Next question is, which field study insect to estimate time since death? Forensic etymology. Forensic etymology study insects that colonize decomposing remaining to estimate the time since death. Next question, what does the term chain of custody refer to in forensic science? The documentation of evidence handling. Chain of custody refer to the document process that records the handling, transfer, and storage of evidence to maintain its safety. Which method is commonly used to develop latent fingerprint? Answer and ninhydrin. Ninhydrin is commonly used to develop latent fingerprint on porous surfaces by reacting with amino acid. Next question, which is the following is a class characteristic of shoe print? Option B, size and shape of shoe. Class characteristics such as size and shape of a shoe can help narrow down potential source but not uniquely identify an individual. Next question, which substance is used in the chemical enhancement of blood stains? Luminol. Luminol is used in the chemical enhancement of blood stain as it reacts with the iron in blood to produce a visible glow in low light condition. Which is the primary function of a forensic odontologist? Answer A. Analyze dental evidence. A forensic odontologist analyzes dental evidence to identify human remains and assess by which type of evidence is considered the most reliable in forensic science. B. DNA evidence. DNA evidence is considered the most reliable in forensic science due to its high degree of specificity and ability to uniquely identify people. What does next question? What does the term trace evidence refer to? Large B, small often microscopic material. Trace evidence refer to a small often microscopic material such as fiber, hair and particles that can link a suspect to crime scene. White is the primary use of gas chromatography in forensic science to separate and analyze compounds. Gas chromatography is primarily used to separate and analyze compounds in samples, often used in toxicology and drug analysis. Which of the following is a forensic database for DNA profiling? CODIS. CODIS Combined DNA Index System is a forensic database that stores DNA profiles to assist in criminal investigation. Which term describes the study of firearm-related evidence? Option A, ballistic. Ballistic is the study of firearm-related evidence, including the examination of bullets, cartridge case, and gunshot. What is the role of forensic psychology? Answer B. Evaluating mental health of individuals involving in legal cases. Forensic psychology involves evaluating the mental health of individuals involved in legal cases to understand their behavior and complexity. Thank you. That's all. Like, share, and subscribe.